Hello, I hope you all are well. You are watching Study Time YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel before watching the video. In this video, we will talk about an essay on visit to a historical place. So let's start our essay. Writer says, "What peaceful hours I once enjoyed. How sweet their memories still." In this modern age, we remain busy day and night like a machine. Our minds are all the time preoccupied with the worries and responsibilities of everyday life. We are unable to understand the need of pleasure in human life. We should realize the fact that life should be enjoyed with all its charms and pleasures. We also spare some time for pleasure and recreation. Writer says, "What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare." Life is a journey, and it is an admitted fact that how we travel and tackle this journey makes a difference to our life. Life is a tale of adventures. Writer says, "Travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer." These adventures have many shapes, such as educational and recreational trips, visit to attractive places, and picnic parties. Visit provide a chance to enjoy life, celebrate happy moments, and break the monotony of routine life. A visitor a picnic is the best way of enjoying life in the best possible way by breaking the barriers of boredom. A picnic or a visit opens the door of pleasant change to individual and group life. Travel and change of place impart new vigor to mind. Historical events, distinct works of genius, wondrous achievements, admirable accomplishments, and the cultivation of human art collectively constitute the culture of a nation. Pakistan has a grand historical past. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are the oldest centers of civilization. The other historical centers are Thatta, Lahore, Multan, and Taxila. They attract thousands of people, foreign tourists, every year. Writer says past is a nice place to visit, but certainly not a good place to stay. Holidays, especially weekends, are always enjoyable as they provide us blessed breaks to change hard routines. They are also the source of enjoyment and relaxation. Holidays are always a welcome change. The best way to make use of time is to travel to the best places of pleasure and charm. Therefore, visits to certain great and important places are really very useful in many ways. Writer says a place is only as good as the people in it. I always enjoy visits to historical place very much. It is my routine to visit and go for a picnic with my family and friends. Whenever find free time and get a chance to do so. Writer says time flies, it's up to you to be the navigator. Last Sunday, when the 1 week midterms holiday started, our group of friends decided to visit the historical Qasim Bagh at Multan. The idea was very exciting and pleasant. The beauties of nature are a blessing. Writer says, "What a chance to break the monotony." The plan and program regarding the date, time, and mode of traveling were finalized. Different duties of arrangements were assigned to different persons. At last, the day and time approached. We had planned to gather at the college gate. So, on the fixed time, we all gathered at the college gate. All the arrangements were perfect. Writer says we were on the way of creating a beautiful Writer says we were on the way of creating a beautiful chapter of life. The bus was new, beautiful, and comfortable. The weather was very fine and fit for pleasure trip. The boys were dressed in colorful dresses. They were all in very good mood and high spirits. They were talking to each other excitedly and making their individual plans to make it a memorable trip. All in all, it was an ideal day for a visit to a historical place. Writer says the journey is the reward. It adds to life what cannot be added otherwise. The journey started very early in the morning as it is a tradition of traveling to start journey as early as possible. The mellow sunshine, the cool breeze, and above all, the scene of sunshine was amazing. The journey is always noisy and loud. Everyone was sitting with his best friend during the journey. We sang songs, raised slogans, and shared gossip and jokes. The paths of glory lead but to the grave. After a journey of 2 hours, we reached Kasim Bagh. There were hundreds of people enjoying themselves of weekend. We sent straight to the office of the in charge of Kasim Bagh. He welcomed us with open arms. He gave us tickets and all the necessary information about the great Kasim Bagh. Writer says, and suddenly you realize your travels were more education than vacation. We started our visit from the main gate, Baba Qasim. It was beautifully built and maintained and reflected the grandeur of ancient architecture. By just watching the gate, the glory and the greatness of its history brightened the corridors of our mind. All the parts were integrated symmetry, the beautiful image, the typical atmosphere, and the unique history cast a spell on us. It was a splendid combination of old and modern art of construction. On the one side, it reflected the historical aspect of Muhammad bin Qasim. Writer says it's better to see something once than to hear about it 1,000 times. On the other side, it showed us the religious supremacy of the saints like Hazrat Bahauddin Zakriya, Hazrat Shah Rukh ne Alam, and many other friends of Allah Almighty. First of all, we went to the tomb of the saints and offered Fatiha. Then we went to the historical highest point known as Damdama. We viewed the whole city from the top. It was a unique view. Writer says history is a cyclic poem written by time upon the memories of man. We walked along the lush green areas. We got tired. We rested at the public park. Then we felt hungry and took our lunch. Some of our friends suggested planning a cricket match. Writer says your imagination will take you to places. Soon it started raining. We loved it very much. Rain and cricket have a wonderful relation. Though we all got wet, but we enjoyed it. This beautiful shore in summer on a Sunday was worth enjoying. Writer says there is great meaning in life for those who are willing to journey. Then we again decided to visit other parts of Kasim Bagh. It has many charming things to offer. This visit added to our knowledge. We have never seen or heard many things about Kasim Bagh. Writer says the more you read, the more you know, the more you learn, the more places you will go. We spent almost 6 hours at Kasim Bagh. We enjoyed the great scenes, hustle and bustle, and spicy and tasty food stuff available there. The whole visit was very charming. The earth is full of God's goodness. Each and everything was printed on our minds. We also did some shopping. We purchased charming gifts and decoration pieces. We returned home with sweet and enjoyable memories of this wonderful visit. No doubt such days are dear and unforgettable. Writer says the world is a book and those who do not travel read only one page. If you want to understand today, you have to search the yesterday. I think no matter where you go, you will be happy as long as you know you are there. Writer says people are trapped in history and history is trapped in them. There are places we fear, places we dream, places who exile we became and never learned it until sometimes too late. Naturally, two types of situation occur with us: cheerfulness and melancholy. Humans tend to seek happiness in all their act. One such act is known as recreational activity. A visitor or a picnic is the best way of enjoying life in the best possible way by breaking the barriers of boredom. It is a great deal of life to lose in word for the sake of little courage. I visited many places, some of them quite exotic and fair and far away, but I always return to myself chock full with memories. So students, you may recall that in previous video I wrote a quotation in the mid of the essay, but in this video I wrote in the beginning of the essay. It's up to you. So this is our today's video. I hope you all like it. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.